Oh, this is the introduction to the Prepping Your Block series we're doing for the High Performance Slant 6. We're going to go through here and show how I prep a block. If you're just not interested in doing a High Performance Slant 6, you probably don't need to watch this. You can just go out and do a standard rebuild like half a dozen other channels have already done. But this is not a standard rebuild. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to cover the Doug Dutra oil system modifications. They're outlined on slant6.org in the document section of that board. We're going to do the Slant Daily Garage modification to increase the oil flow to the valve springs or the rocker arms. And we're going to do some basic stuff like chasing the threads, and then we're going to install a set of ARP studs. That's coming up. It's going to be a long video, probably close to 2 hours. I'm warning you now. My analytics say that nobody wants to watch my videos over 5 minutes, so it's a 2-hour video, and it's going to be basically how to do a prep on a Slant 6 box. This is over and above the taking it to the machine shop, having it drop in the hot tank, and bringing it home and having it bored out or honing the cylinders and putting the rings in it. So, you're being warned. It's going to take a while, and it's coming soon. I have a bunch of videos I have to stream together. So I did this a little bit differently than I normally do. I usually sit down and do the job and then take a video all the time. This time it's over multiple days because I didn't really have the time to do it all at once. So I have to figure out how to do that, and that's going to take me a little bit of time. It's going to be under the 5-minute thing. Cool. So, until we get that done, thanks for watching.